If you have any question at the moment, you can let me know. Okay. The next is the division of the labor of specialization. Division of labor is the concept of dividing the production process into different stages, enabling the workers to specialize in a specific task. Okay. For example, if you are doing a job, you will categorize it: marketing, HR, finance. You require the person who must have a grip on the finance activities, the person who must have grip on marketing activities. So that's why you required more skillful person, more specialized person. Okay. So what are the advantages of these categorization or these specialization? Become skillful. Okay. If you have a very short task to do and you are doing again and again, you will become a pro player. Okay. Then better future job perspective. You can move to the next stage. Disadvantages: monotony. If you are doing the task on a regular basis, you might be possible, it could be the reason of your boringness. Margin for the error increases. In the repetitive task and involvement of your a boringness, it could be the reason of some kind of errors. You make a mistakes again and again. Got that? Lower mobility of the labor. Division of labor can also cause reduced mobility of the labor. Since worker is only specialized in doing one specific task, it will be difficult for him or her to do a different job. If you are an accountant, you can't do work for the marketing. Getting my point? Okay. What are the advantages of the firm if you have a specialized worker? Increase the productivity, common sense, increase the quality, low cost, and then the faster production. The faster you will do. Increase productivity: when people specialize in a particular task, the total output will increase. Increase the quality of the products because workers works on a task they are the best suited for. Low cost: workers only need to be trained in the task they specialized in. Okay. Faster: when everyone focuses on a particular task, there is no need to work to shift from one task to another. The production will be speed up. Efficient movement of goods. Raw material and the half finished good will easily be moved around the firm from one task to the next. Last one, the important one: increase the profit. These were some of the advantages, and we have some disadvantages. Increase the dependency. If you have a person who have a plenty of the experience and your organization is relying on that particular person, it will increase the dependency. If this person will leave the job, your every point which we discussed in the advantage point will be decreased. Danger of overproduction. Division of the labor facilities. Mass production: the supply of the product may exceed its demand and cause a problem of excess stock of the finished good. These were some points which were related to the firms. Now we have some advantages to the economy. Better utilization of the human resource. The first, look, if you have a very skillful person right now in Pakistan, every company willing to hire this person. From the economic point of view, if you have a skillful person, go and grab this person, grab his experience, grab his hard work. So better utilization of the human resource, like the person. Establishment of the efficient firms. If you have skillful workers and if they are doing a job in the particular organization, the organization will work more efficiently. The last thing is disadvantages for the economy. Labor immobility. Occupational immobility may arise because workers can only specialize in the specific field. He won't leave the job because he is immobile. He is not diversified. He can do only one task. If you give him an option to leave the job, he won't leave the job because he can't do anything else. Reduce the creativity instinct. For the labor force, in the long run, as they are only able to do a single task repeatedly and the previous skills they required die out. Create factory culture, which brings it the evils of exploitations, poor working condition and forced monotony.